Doesn't everybody in Twitch work for IT? Work with some kind of IT? It takes a lot of IT knowledge in order to be a Twitch streamer. Whether you get your knowledge from gaming or if you get your knowledge from professional IT technicianship. It takes a lot of technical knowledge to be a streamer. I talked with someone today, oh my. So, there was this gentleman who did not know how to click and drag things, and I'm working remotely, and I need him to share his screen so that I can help him. Couldn't do that, and there are times that I just want to go, can I just get your address and drive over to you? Can I just do this for you? This was one of those times. Again, I can do that again, sir. Busy man, and to color it, you should team up with someone. Yeah, the cover was colored by someone else. The thing is, usually people want to be paid when they do this kind of work. My joke is, I'm the only one who I can afford to pay, and I'm also the only one who's willing to do the work for the money that I'm paying. So it works out. It's a win-win for me and for me. Oh, question for you, Hollister. Have you ever heard of Blessing Boat? I believe you should. What Blessing Boat is, pardon me if you've already heard this story before, Blessing Boat is for Christian streamers and or family-friendly streamers who are either affiliate or looking to become affiliate. It's a way that it's a raid train, so we start raiding one streamer for an hour, and then that streamer introduces themselves, and people can feel free to follow or not, and then in the next hour, another streamer is raided. So allow me, let's see, can I do this? I can do this, right? I'm a professional, IT professional. Let's do it over this monitor. Let's go to Twitch, TV. And we'll search for Blessing Boat. And we'll click on that, and we'll copy and paste that into the chat. Boom. There we go. Aha. Feel free to check those out. Check them out. So the Blessing Bout happens every third Saturday of the month. The January stream will be on the 20th, January 20th, Inauguration Day. Tell you what. Sounds like I have a volume problem in the house. I will be right back. And we're back. Problem solved. That time, people. It's almost time for what day is it? Mike. What? Guess what day it is? Today is Tuesday, December 26th. Let's do this again. Today is Tuesday, December 26th, 2023. Not only is it Tuesday, December 26th, 2023, it is also Whiner's Day. So those of you who are whining, today is your day. You didn't get what you wanted yesterday. Time to whine about it. Maybe I may possibly have some of those in my house. Possibly, maybe. Maybe one of those people in my house. Not only is today Whiner's Day, it is also Thank You Note Day. Well, that's a good idea. Write some thank you notes for the people that you... Hey, Vocati Gamer, how's it going? Let's see. Thank You Note Day. You have two options. You can either whine about the things you didn't get, or be thankful for the things that you did get. I suggest being thankful for the things you did get. Let's see. Not only is it Thank You Note Day, it's also Candy Cane Day. Really? I would have thought that Candy Cane Day would have come sometime before the 25th, but I didn't make these days. I didn't make the day. Not only is it Candy Cane Day, it is also Boxing Day. That's the one I knew about. I knew that it was Boxing Day in Canada and other countries as well. So 15 rounds of boxing. No, not that kind of boxing. I mean, boxing. I don't know what it really means, actually. I'm not really sure why today is called Boxing Day. Maybe because people are eating all the candy canes off the trees? Possibly. Depends on how many canes you have on the trees. Not only is it Boxing Day, it is also... Yeah, that's it. That's all there is. So, have an excellent December 25th. Happy Whiner's Day, everybody.